frequency is most suitable for imaging the eye? A. 2 to 3 megahertz. B. 3 to 5 megahertz. C. 5 to 10 megahertz. D. 7 to 15 megahertz. The right answer here is D. Eye is superficial, and for superficial structures we prefer high frequency because we need good resolution. Next, which factor improves with higher frequency? A. Penetration. B. Resolution. C. Attenuation decrease. D. Depth visualization. The right answer here is B. Higher the frequency, higher will be resolution. Next, which factor improves with lower frequency? A. Resolution. B. Spatial detail. C. Tissue penetration. D. Axial resolution. The right answer here is C. Lower frequency, better will be penetration. Next, which ultrasound frequency is typically used for abdominal imaging? A. 1 to 2 megahertz. B. 2 to 5 megahertz. C. 5 to 10 megahertz. D. 10 to 20 megahertz. The right answer here is B. 2 to 5 megahertz because abdomen needs more penetration, so there will be low frequency. Next, the best rule for choosing a transducer frequency is A. Use the lowest frequency available. B. Use the highest frequency that penetrates to the depth of interest. B. Use the highest frequency that penetrates to the depth of interest. C. Always use 5 megahertz. D. Use a frequency with maximum frame rate. The right answer here is B. Highest frequency that penetrates to the depth of interest. Because first we need penetration. We need to see the structure. So when we have enough frequency that we can see the structure, so maximum frequency according to that depth requirement. Next, a higher transducer frequency will A. Increase penetration and decrease resolution. B. Decrease penetration and increase resolution. C. Increase both penetration and resolution. D. Decrease both penetration and resolution. The right answer here is B. Higher the frequency, better resolution but low penetration.